Friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of Jin's Photofolio. I apologize for all the glare. It's cloudy and the lighting is not great, but here is the cover. Beautiful Captain Jin. Here's the back. Sea of Jin Island. Right off the bat, gorgeous inside cover photo. Okay, we are starting off strong with this concept. Captain Jin on his boat. Oh my goodness. Lots of feelings about this concept, especially with military service coming up, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. We love that hairstyle with the curl in front. Wow, a lot of pictures for this first concept. Okay, into concept 2, Jin the pirate. Very fun. I think we've got some like Jack Sparrow influence there with the beads. Me and myself, and I feel an inclusion coming up. So we've got the stamps. Ooh, both photo cards. I haven't looked at the templates yet. I don't know which one is the included photo, but we have these two photo cards. Sea of Jin Island. I think these are like Super Tuna stickers. I'll open that in a second. The print photo. This is the back that makes up the larger photo. Gorgeous. And Jin's poster, looking good. I like this color combination, this gray and sort of dull lime green. But here's Jin's poster. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, continue on. Pirate at Sunset. I really like the flow from it was like bright daylight on the sea and then going to sunset at this lighthouse. Sea of Jin Island. Now we've got Fisherman Jin. His hair is a little more like natural. It's not as stylized. He's in like everyday fisherman clothing, and on the boat, like the photos are more like him at work. Yeah, I really like this like muted lime green color across the entire photo book. I like that. Nice black and white photo. It says respect on his collar. He's fishing nets. Oh, we've got some candids here. That looks like very much like I can hear Jin exclaiming in that photo. Cutie pie. We've got an Eat Jin photo. Oh, the wind ruffling his hair. Oh, love these. I guess he actually caught some fish this day. Oh my gosh, I can hear him through these photos. Ooh, and we have some behind the scenes of Super Tuna making. And then this is the preview for the next photo, who is, right? Oh my goodness. Wow. And that's it. Oh, the Sea of Island came with these, not stickers, they're like cards. Cute fish cards. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.